Jalup jatend piny mancha nothiche apis Rigathi Gachagua podi od thieth makaren kama norwake tich ang'wen mokalo. Laktache makaren nonyiso jofwambo ni Gachagua ne nyalo bedo od thieth kanyo kuom kinde maromo kind seche 24 nyaka seche 72 kapod gitimone nonro mag thieth. Wawinjane gima timore kono ka jafwambo marwa Ole Tenges nitiere Karen. Maybe you could tell us what is going on, what is the condition of the DP, and what are the doctors saying about his discharge?
Well, good afternoon, Milton. At this point, we cannot authoritatively report about his condition, but what we can report is he is still admitted here at the current hospital in Nairobi. He was taken ill here on Thursday when he was expected at the Senate to give his accounts. Remember, he was the key witness in the Senate proceedings in his impeachment case, but because of the chest pains that he experienced just moments before he was expected to go for that session, he was rushed here. And according to the doctors here at the current hospital, the lead doctor, Dr. Gikonyo, spoke to the press on Thursday, and he said that the chest pains were a bit critical and he had to be admitted, and they were conducting different procedures just to see and make sure that the deputy president is out of danger. And the Dr. Gikonyo rather said that he would be admitted here for between 48 to 72 hours. Today is the third day, and he is still admitted here, as I said, but we have not had a status report from the doctors yet, and we are expecting that maybe in the next maybe coming hours or days we'll get a statement from them all regarding his status and condition. But Milton, it is important to note that from Thursday we actually witnessed heavy police presence here on Thursday night, but that has gradually gone down, and we've seen that scaled down following his impeachment by the Senate, which has now been stayed by the courts. And I can report to you that right now here at the current hospital, we have not seen much of security detail here, and that also is of concerning because according to the National Police Act, and he is still the deputy president, if the court order is anything to go by, that means that he would be accorded that security detail, but we have not witnessed that here. Also, different leaders have been coming here to visit the deputy president. Some of them have been allowed to see him. Some have been denied. The doctors have been limiting access to those who are accessing his ward at the hospital, and the leaders who were allowed inside yesterday included Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, DAPK leader Eugene Wamalwa, and Murang'a Senator Joe Nyoto. And after seeing the deputy president, they came out and spoke to us and said that he was recuperating well, and that he was in high spirits, but they could not hold a conversation with him for long, and they said that after that conversation they were actually shown out by the doctors. But the leaders also have condemned the manner in which these impeachment proceedings have been conducted, saying that it is an outright political witch hunt, condemning that his security withdrawal. Yesterday we saw Kalonzo Musyoka stating that he is asking the government to have the security detail of the deputy president restored. And this of course comes against the backdrop of what is happening right at the center of the DP's office. We have seen that report, internal memo asking his staff, about 108 of them, to proceed on leave. And of course now the question is, these twists and turns, where are they leading eventually? And even as we anticipate and wait for the court to give that verdict on the 24th. Back to you, Milton.
Thank you very much, Ole Tenges, for that report. We do hope to get much more from you for our later bulletins. Mano ne jafwambo mar Ole Tenges ka nitiere achiel kachiel Karen Hospital, kama onyisowa ni jalup jatend piny pod nie kar thieth kanyo, to laktache wacho negi ni ok en marach. Kara kamano apisa mag obila manyo ni kanyo mang'eny manye miye arita osegol, kendo chal ka gima Kwan mar apisa mag obila man kanyo koro tin mokalo. Wabiro yudo mathoth koa Karen Hospital e weche manyien mabiro. Ka wadhi nyime, en ni kwan